Here's the normal landing for a Cessna 172. Consult your POH for the proper technique. The objective is to transition from a beam the touchdown point to a normal landing. I'll beam the touchdown point, reduce the power to 1,800 RPM, and maintain altitude. When you're below 110 knots, you can set the flaps to 10 degrees. Slow to and descend the aircraft at 80 knots. Base leg turn. Turn base when the touchdown point is 45 degrees behind the wing. Set the flaps to 20 degrees and maintain 75 knots. Maintain 75 knots. Estimate whether you are on glide path, high or low, and make altitude adjustments as necessary. Turn final when the extended runway centerline is 10 degrees ahead of the wing. To estimate the rollout on centerline, look through the numbers on the approach side to the numbers on the far side. Set the flaps to 30 degrees and now maintain airspeed 65 knots. Select an aiming point and keep this point from moving. Here it's the fixed distance marker's aiming point. Adjust the aiming point by managing airspeed with elevator and altitude with power. Now look at around 10 feet above the ground, look down the runway and determine the flare height. Control the descent to the runway by gradually flaring the airplane to dissipate speed without ballooning. Reduce the throttle to idle. Hold the airplane off the ground, let the speed dissipate, and let the main wheels touch the ground first. The nose wheel will touch down last, and use the brakes after the wheels are in contact with the ground. The completion standards are that you select an aiming point and adjust for altitude and airspeed. You maintain positive aircraft control throughout, and you touch down with little or no drift.